Hey, this is Bill Pinnell coming to you with some advantages for rent-to-own buyers. There are several advantages that you can have by being a rent-to-own buyer. First, you get into a great house in a great neighborhood for a low upfront fee. Also, the option consideration is usually fully credited to the purchase price. In addition, the purchase price is going to be locked in at the beginning of the lease. So you don't have to worry about the price going up after your lease is up after a year, 2 or 3 years. Rent will be working for you because part of your rent payment is going to be going towards the purchase price. It'll give you sufficient time to check out the neighborhood, give you sufficient time to check out the schools, the shopping centers close by, check out your neighbors, which is important too, and also, it'll give you an opportunity to work on any past credit issues. So you can rebuild your credit during the time of the option so that when at the end of the option and you're ready to purchase the house, you'll be able to help qualify yourself for a home loan to get into that beautiful house. Major maintenance and repairs are going to be the responsibility of the owner of the house. All you'll be responsible for are the taking care of the minor maintenance and repairs. So obviously, there are a lot of advantages to a lease purchase situation. Visit my website and schedule a free 15-minute call and receive some free information. I answer my own phone, 734-245-9654. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please visit my website, wildbillpinnell.com. Have a great day.